Hello guys, and today we'll be seeing how to provide a chat feature between an OpenCart web store owner and the customers. Making use of the chat system plugin for the OpenCart platform-based web stores by Webkul, now the chat feature can be provided between the web store admin and the customers. Now kindly note that this chat system is not based on any API or subscription plan, and it is having an open source code, so you can customize it as well as per your own requirement there. So right now you can see that I'm at the OpenCart platform based web stores front end, and here we have a pop-up that says please log in here for chat. If not registered user, please click here to register. So you should be a registered users at the OpenCart web store there, so that you can make use of the chat feature from the product page directly, and you can ask the web store admin about the product and if you have any questions or queries regarding the same. Now I'll be taking you through the workflow of the same on both the ends at the same time. So what I'll do is I'll just show you how this chat window works, how you can send the emojis as well, how you can ask the web store admin about any query about a particular product. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. So right now, first of all, what we need to do is we need to log in to the customer account first, and then we'll see how this particular chat plugin works. So I'll just tap there, and I'll be entering my credentials for my customer, and I'm logged into my customer account. Now let me go to the OpenCart chat product that we have, and here on the bottom right hand corner we have this particular window, as you can see, that has the name as admin there. So this window can be used by the customers to chat directly with the web store admin. Here they have these colors, as you can see, that can be used to change the background of the text there. So for example, if I choose this color, you can see that the background of the text has changed. Apart from that, if I just hover my mouse here just below the blue tab there, here you can see this. I'll just tap on that, and that brings up the particular emojis then can be sent out to the admin as well, and you just need to hit the enter there. Now if I scroll down to the end of this, you can see here are the emojis that I've sent out to the admin. Now I'll just take you to the admin as well. So for that, I'll be logging into the admin backend panel as well. So let's log into the admin backend panel. Now after the successful installation of this live chat plugin, the admin will find this side pop-up kind of a thing with these human kind of things there. So you just need to tap that up, and that brings up the complete list of customers who are online right now and want to chat with the admin. So here you can see that John Doe is live right now, and I'm tapped on that, and that does bring up the chat window of the particular customer here at the bottom right hand corner, as you can see. So I can double click on that, or we can also maximize this by tapping here on the arrow icon. So it's just now maximized. And if I come back to the last here, the emojis that the customer had sent out. Now if you see at the top here, you can see that message from admin is being flashed. So for example, if I go ahead and let me go to the customer front first, let me minimize this. Right now it's of the blue color. Now from the admin, let's send one message to the customer. How can I help? I'll hit the enter, and now if I go back to the customer front, you can see that now it's of the green color, indicating that there's a message from the admin. So I can tap here on the arrow, and I can scroll down to the end, and here's the text from the admin. Let me change the color of the same. Now the background color that you're seeing right now, you can set it as a color or an image. The background of all of this, I've set it as an image. I'll be showing you that how we can configure from the plugins configuration in a while from now. So here's the admin message, how can I help? And if I minimize it on the admin's end for the customer, need assistance for product So I've sent it to the admin now. Now here you can see that on the admin tab it says message from John. So that's a notification that the customer has sent out a message. It's green now. Let's double tap, and I can maximize it as well. If I want, I can as an admin also send out notifications like these, the emojis basically back to the customer if I want. And let me send the emojis to the customer, and let's scroll down a bit. Let me close this window. Let's scroll down. So need assistance for products, the customer asked. I've sent him some emojis. Before that I asked him how can I help. If I want, I can also share a URL with the customer as well. So for example, here's a URL. Let me send that out, and on the admin's end I'll be able to find the same URL being shared by the customer. Here's the same one. So that's how the customers and the admin would be able to easily have a chat space on the OpenCart platform based web stores using this OpenCart live chat plugin. You can make use of the emojis as well. If you want, you can minimize any of the windows by tapping here on the minus icon. If you want to close it out, you can tap here on the close button to minimize. Just tap here to minimize. The same goes for the admin as well. I can refresh the page and we'll be able to see the rest. This icon here keeping flashed, I can tap on that to bring back the chat window. We can minimize or maximize the window as per our own requirements there. And one more thing is, if for example, if I tap here on the Peter Doe, he's not live activated right now, or he's not live right now, so the window is in gray color. John is live, so the window color is blue right now, and you can see a green indicator that John Doe is live, the customer is live, and in the same place the Peter Doe is offline right now. You can see the icon for that is in gray. So we can check the history of the conversations that we have done with the customers as well by scrolling through all of the content there. You can maximize the window on the admin's end as well. The same goes for the customers, and if any new message has been received, you will see that particular message being flashed here on the top as well. For example, I entered test from the customer's end, and here's the test. So here you can see that on the admin's dashboard, message from John Doe is flashing, and it's green right now, meaning that we have received one message test. Thanks. I can hit the enter thereafter. Now the same would then be visible. Message from admin, as you can see on the customer friend, message from admin is being flashed there. And let me maximize it a bit. It was in the green color, meaning that I've received a message. I can change the background of the text there. That's thanks from the admin itself. So that's how easily you can make use of the chat plugin and converse with the web store admin very easily using the chat window, and the same is being done by the admin, and he can also respond you back from his own chat window as required, and can also chat with multiple customers at the same times. But the thing is that the particular customer should be online at that very moment of time. So yes, that was much about the plugin itself, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com. You can also raise a ticket at webkul@qds.com. If you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.